All right, our cabbage casserole is ready, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to top it with cheese. And I don't want to put too much on because hubby doesn't want a lot of cheese. So actually, I'm gonna leave this area over here for him. The cheese on this side over here. Okay. All right, and we're gonna cover that and let it melt away. All right, our cheese has melted. And it is time to plate up our food. So I am going to get a nice heaping amount here. All right, everybody, it's time to taste. This is our cabbage casserole. It's filled with cheddar cheese, ground beef, cabbage, of course, rotel tomatoes, garlic, chili powder. Let's dig in. The cheddar cheese sets this off. It is so delicious. It has a little bit of a kick in it from the rotel tomatoes. The cabbage is tender and succulent. You all, this is a fabulous one-pan dish. I can't believe it's keto. This delicious food is keto. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for joining me once again. I really hope you get an opportunity to try this dish. It's quick, it's easy, delicious, and your entire family, I promise they are going to love it. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, then hit that subscription button and then go ahead and hit that notification bell right next to it. I'll see you guys again in the next video, and until then, happy eating. See you next time. Sincerely, Legenia.